Today is Tuesday, February 28th. This is the 1967 Cadillac DeVille Convertible tilt and telescopic steering wheel wiring harness diagram. This is an exploded view of the arc connector with the different colored wires. I've gone ahead and I've designated the left front, left rear, right rear. Left front is the black with the light blue stripe. Right front is a dark blue wire. In the rear we have the left rear, which is black with the yellow wire, and the right rear, which is the dark green wire. This is the donut for the turn signal wiring harness. This is the turn signal activation lever. I've put a shorter tilt lever for now, just to help do the demonstration. The wiring harness is connected to a low voltage battery. Okay, and I have a light bulb here. The light bulb will go on when there's continuity being passed in accordance with each of these corresponding wires when connected to the actuation of the turn signal cancellation cam and rocker lever mechanism. The purple-violet wire is the turn signal feed. Okay, so that's connected to voltage. And for the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to be doing the turn signals only as part of this demonstration. So right now we're connected to the left front signal. Okay, the left front signal, which is the black wire with the light blue stripe. So I'll go ahead and I'll actuate the turn signal switch as if I'm making a left-hand turn. And we can see that the light comes on. So we have continuity and we have a functioning, working left-hand turn signal switch. When I shut it off, the light bulb shuts off. On, off. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to remove the wire from the left front, and we're going to go to the right front. Okay, so now we're connected to the right front signaling wire. The right front signaling wire is a dark blue wire. You can see that the right front wire here is the dark blue wire. So now I'll actuate the signaling switch to the right, and the light comes on. Off, on, off, on. So the right front switch is working. Okay. The next one we're going to test is going to be the left rear. The left rear is the black wire with the yellow stripe. So the left rear is right here. Left rear signal. Okay, black wire with the faded yellow stripe. So I'll go ahead and connect to the black wire with the yellow stripe, which is the left rear signal. And I'll go ahead and actuate the signal, making a left turn. And the light bulb comes on. Off, on. Pan back so you can get all of this into the shot. The light bulb and me actuating. Off, on. Off, on. Okay, and that's the left-hand signal. The last one remaining is the right rear. And we'll connect the right rear. Right rear signal. This is the dark green wire corresponding to the diagram. Dark green right rear signaling lamp. Right rear, dark green. So I'll go ahead and I'll actuate it as if I'm making a right-hand turn. And the light bulb comes on, showing continuity. Off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Okay, so this is how we test the wiring harness and the turn signal actuating motion of the mechanism as corresponding to an actual signal light with the appropriate amount of power.